Hey guys, so I brought this little packet from Dollar Tree for $1. So I brought a few of them because I was like, what the heck? It's only $1. Hopefully they work. If it don't work, I won't be super mad. So I am going to just add water. That's all the directions say. And then we're going to take the orange side, and that is just going to help smooth and get rid of all those little dirt stains and marks. And I just was like amazed by how much it removed. And then once you're done doing that, then I take the white side and I just help buff out the sneakers. So as you can see on the sides of these Christian Dior's, they are dirty. And with that cleaner, look what it did. Yes, y'all. So the results are in. Go to your local Dollar Tree.